Hello everyone, and welcome to our presentation. Today, we're going to explore a very exciting and rapidly evolving field, AI adoption, governance, and market dynamics. The title of our session is Exploring Trends, Policies, and Corporate Roles in the Evolving AI Landscape. Over the next few slides, we'll take a closer look at how AI is transforming industries, the policies shaping its development, and the roles companies are playing. I'm glad you could join us, and I look forward to sharing these insights with you. Let's take a closer look at the operational impacts of AI. As you can see, AI is transforming how we work by automating routine tasks, which frees up human resources for more strategic activities. It also enables better data analytics, giving organizations deeper insights to make smarter decisions. Plus, AI is enhancing customer experiences, making interactions more personalized and efficient. These operational changes are fundamental to how businesses are evolving in today's digital landscape. Moving on to market projections, the AI industry is poised for extraordinary growth. Experts estimate that within the next decade, the industry could reach multi-trillion-dollar valuations. This growth isn't just about size. It's about how AI will significantly boost productivity and reshape decision-making processes across all sectors. It's clear that AI is becoming a central driver of economic value. When we look at the US, it's evident that the country is leading the way in AI adoption. High rates of adoption are supported by a robust technological infrastructure and strong venture capital investment. These factors create an environment where AI innovations can thrive and scale rapidly. Speaking of investments, there's been a notable surge in funding for generative AI. This reflects the enormous potential this technology has to transform various sectors, including healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. Generative AI is opening up new possibilities for creativity and problem-solving, making it a key area to watch. Finally, globally, AI adoption is accelerating at a rapid pace. More and more businesses are integrating AI technologies into their operations to stay competitive and drive innovation. This rapid adoption underscores how essential AI is becoming in shaping the future of industries worldwide. Now, let's take a closer look at some core principles of AI governance, specifically focusing on how we can ensure responsible AI adoption, governance, and market dynamics. First, it's essential that AI development and deployment align with societal values and human rights. This means we need to prioritize ethical considerations to make sure AI benefits everyone and respects fundamental rights. Next, ethics play a crucial role in preventing bias and discrimination in AI algorithms and applications. We have to be vigilant to identify and mitigate biases so that AI systems are fair and just in their outcomes. Moving on, defining clear responsibilities for AI outcomes and decisions is vital. Accountability ensures that when AI systems make decisions, there are designated parties who are responsible for those outcomes, fostering trust and reliability. Finally, transparency is key to ensuring AI systems operate in an understandable and explainable manner. When we make AI processes transparent, it becomes easier for users and stakeholders to trust and effectively oversee these systems. All these principles, ethics, fairness, accountability, and transparency, are interconnected and serve as the foundation for a trustworthy AI ecosystem that aligns with our broader goal of responsible innovation. Let's take a closer look at the global AI policy landscape. As we see, different regions are approaching AI regulation with distinct strategies. The United States, for example, favors a more flexible set of guidelines. They aim to encourage innovation while still addressing important ethical concerns. The focus here is on fostering progress without being overly restrictive, but still keeping ethical considerations in mind. On the other hand, the European Union emphasizes managing AI risks through strict compliance and oversight. They prioritize privacy and safety, ensuring that AI development aligns with high standards of regulation. This approach is more principle-based, setting clear rules to protect individuals and society. Now, when we compare these two approaches, we see a fundamental difference. The US tends to adopt a risk-based approach, allowing for flexibility based on potential risks, while the EU leans more towards a principle-based approach, establishing firm guidelines upfront. Understanding these differences is crucial as we see how each region balances innovation with regulation. It highlights the broader theme of how diverse policy landscapes influence AI development worldwide. On this slide, I want to highlight Microsoft's significant role in shaping AI governance. First, let's talk about policy contributions. Microsoft actively influences U.S. AI governance frameworks to foster an environment of trust and safety. This means participating in discussions and setting standards that ensure AI is developed and used responsibly. Next, collaboration with stakeholders is a key aspect. Microsoft engages with regulators, policymakers, and industry partners to shape effective AI policies. By working together, we can create a balanced approach that promotes innovation while addressing ethical concerns. Transparency and accountability are also central to Microsoft's approach. The company publishes AI principles and impact assessments, making its development processes open and understandable. This helps build trust with users and the public. Finally, ethical AI development is at the core of Microsoft's efforts. The company embeds fairness, reliability, and privacy into its AI products. This ensures that AI not only advances technology, but does so in a way that respects societal values and individual rights. Overall, Microsoft's role in AI governance exemplifies a proactive, responsible approach that aligns with our broader goal of responsible AI innovation. Let's take a closer look at the comparative analysis of AI governance models. On this slide, we see how different approaches to AI regulation and oversight impact the market and innovation. Starting with the decentralized, innovation-friendly approach, this model favors voluntary guidelines and sector-specific rules. It encourages flexibility and rapid development by allowing industries to set their own standards within broad principles. In contrast, the comprehensive regulatory structure with mandatory compliance emphasizes a more structured and enforceable framework. This approach aims to ensure consistent standards across the board, prioritizing risk mitigation and the protection of human rights. Now, when we compare the U.S. governance model to the EU model, we see these differences clearly. The U.S. tends to favor a more voluntary and flexible system that promotes innovation, while the EU adopts a more comprehensive, regulation-heavy approach focused on safeguarding societal values. Understanding these differences helps us see how these models shape the market dynamics and influence the pace and nature of AI development. It's all about balancing innovation with responsibility, and these models reflect different ways of achieving that balance. Let's take a closer look at the current market and investment trends in AI governance. As we see, regional forecasts are showing strong growth in North America and the Asia-Pacific region. This is largely driven by ongoing regulatory developments and increased enterprise adoption, which are fueling the demand for better AI management solutions. Focusing on cloud AI governance, this segment is projected to grow at a robust compound annual growth rate. The main driver here is the need for scalable and secure AI management tools that can keep up with the rapid expansion of AI applications across industries. Another key point is the rising investment in generative AI. Venture capital is pouring into this space, reflecting the high confidence in its transformative potential. This influx of funding is accelerating innovation and development within the AI ecosystem. Overall, we see the AI governance market expanding in tandem with the growth of AI technology itself. As AI continues to evolve, so does the need for effective governance frameworks, which makes this an exciting and critical area to watch moving forward.